Hello guys, my name is Lydia. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video and this video has been highly requested of me to do a tutorial using the Festive palette by Juvias. I think that's how you say their name. So if you like this orangey look, keep on watching and learn how to get it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my other socials. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is one palette only, and it is the Festive palette. So I prime my eyes with my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. So we're going to jump right into it. So for the first shade, that's basically going to be our transition shade. I didn't set my base with a powder because it makes the colors more pigmented. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here, and I'm going to put it on a Morphe M441 fluffy brush. I'm just going to pack it to it and put this all over my lid. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see better. Get up real close and personal, honey. The more colors you add, the more pigmented it's going to be, so keep going in there, honey, till you get the shades you want. Bring it up a little bit above your natural crease. Okay, so after we have this color all over the lid for our transition shade, I'm going to go in with a tapered brush like this. It's small, it's tapered, it's kind of fluffy, and we're going to go in with this shade, and we're going to put that just in our crease. So I'm going back in with my Morphe M441, and I'm going to go back into this shade and help blend this in. Okay, so after this, we're going to cut the crease. I'm going to use my Shape Tape and my Color Noir CN160 flat brush. I use this for concealer. It is really good. You should totally check them out. They will be linked in my description. Every product I use will be linked into my description. So after we have the base set, I'm going to go in with this color and put that all over my lid. And then in my inner corner, I'm going to take, you can take the same brushes you did. That's what I'm just going to do. And we're just going to take this color and we're going to put it right here and build it up, honey. And then after that, we're going to go back in with this shade and set the concealer. Go in with this shade and put it all here like I did on this side. So we're looking cute. Yes. Now I'm going to go back in with my M441 and blend out like the edges so they kind of blend in with each other. So that is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in with highlight, which is why I got reposted by NYX Cosmetics, is because I'm using their NYX Away We Glow highlighter. So then after that, after I got my highlight on, I then put on mascara. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. And then while that dries, I put on some eyeliner. The eyeliner that I will be using is also by NYX Cosmetics. It is the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. Really good stuff. Highly recommend. Add a thin line from like the corner of your eye to the back, as close to your lash line as you can get. Now with this, you also can be sloppy because your lashes are going to cover it. So honestly, you can just go in wild. And then for the lashes, I'm going to be using Lash Pop lashes. You can use my discount code AlydiaBaby. It will be in my description. Get some money off. These are out of the blue. They're really cute. I love them. Lash glue that I will be using is Duo White Clear. So this is it. This is the final look. Let me zoom you in. Zoom you close in, honey. As you can see, we cut the crease. We looking cute. We looking snatched. Give you a little wink. So, if you like this video and this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Comment below some ideas you want to see. What types of videos you want to see. And I will consider it. Let you know. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at AlydiaBaby in my description below. And I'll see y'all next time.